is a modern chocolate factory where thousands of KitKat bars are produced every single day.
Raw ingredients arrive daily and are carefully prepared for large-scale chocolate production. Every ingredient is tested in the lab to ensure consistent quality and food safety. Before processing begins, the cocoa beans are cleaned using automated filtration systems. The beans are roasted at controlled temperatures to develop their rich chocolate flavor. After roasting, the beans are cooled gradually to preserve their texture and aroma. The roasted beans are cracked into small cocoa nibs for the next stage of production. The cocoa nibs are ground into a smooth, liquid chocolate mixture. This rich chocolate liquid becomes the foundation of every KitKat bar.
Additional ingredients are blended together to create the final chocolate recipe. The chocolate is refined carefully to create a smooth and balanced texture. The chocolate is continuously mixed to improve flavor and consistency.
Automated systems constantly monitor temperature throughout the production process.
Large storage systems keep ingredients ready for non-stop production.
Automated systems deliver ingredients with precise measurements into the mixing section.
A special batter is prepared to create the crispy wafer layers. Smooth chocolate cream is applied evenly across every wafer layer. The baked wafers are cooled carefully before assembly begins. Smooth chocolate cream is applied evenly across every wafer layer.
Conveyor systems align each bar for the coating process.
The layered wafers are compressed under controlled pressure for stability.
Each wafer block is inspected carefully before moving to the cutting stage. Precision cutting systems create bars with identical size and shape.
Conveyor systems align each bar for the coating process.
Inside the tunnel, the chocolate hardens into a crisp outer shell. Advanced cameras inspect every product to maintain consistent quality. Each bar passes through a smooth curtain of warm liquid chocolate. The coated bars now enter a controlled cooling environment.
Extra chocolate is removed to create a balanced outer coating.
Any imperfect product is automatically removed from the production line. Advanced cameras inspect every product to maintain consistent quality.
Special packaging film continuously feeds into the wrapping section.
Robotic systems wrap and seal every KitKat bar at high speed. Any imperfect product is automatically removed from the production line.
Production dates and batch codes are printed automatically onto each package.
Smooth chocolate cream is applied evenly across every wafer layer. At the destination port, containers are unloaded for regional distribution.
The products travel across oceans
to reach different continents.
The final chocolate coating gives every KitKat bar its smooth texture and rich appearance.
Each container is carefully loaded to ensure safe international transport. Every section of the factory is connected through synchronized conveyor systems.
Engineers monitor the entire production line from a central control room.
The packaged products are loaded onto trucks for delivery across different regions.
Conveyor systems align each bar for the coating process.
Automation allows the factory to maintain fast and consistent production.
Robotic arms organize the packaged bars neatly into cartons. Several layers are stacked together to create the signature KitKat structure.
Finished cartons are stacked onto pallets for transportation.
Cleaning systems maintain strict hygiene standards in production areas.
Automated systems sort products based on region and delivery routes.
Products are scanned and purchased at the billing counter.
Customers select fresh products directly from store shelves. Packaging design teams refine the visual identity of the product.
Regional centers distribute products to local retail stores. Regular maintenance ensures every machine runs at peak efficiency.
Modern factories focus on sustainable and responsible production.
Only approved batches move forward to global distribution.
Automation ensures precision in every stage of production. This massive system works together to produce millions of bars. Every stage is perfectly connected in a continuous production flow.
The final product moves smoothly toward global consumers. KitKat is enjoyed by people all around the world.
This product connects people through a shared taste experience.
For many, this taste becomes part of lasting memories.
Behind every bar is a powerful system of precision and care.
This was the complete journey from cocoa bean to KitKat bar.
The factory continues production day and night without interruption.
The iconic snap reflects the crisp wafer structure.
Every package is designed for strong brand recognition.
Every pack is arranged to maintain consistent brand presentation.
Each bar reveals the signature crispy chocolate layers inside.
Quality audits ensure every batch meets strict production standards.
The error rate stabilized right after the adjustment.
All parameters are well within the acceptable threshold now.
This is the final result of a highly advanced production journey.
The journey ends when the product reaches the consumer's home.
Advanced energy systems keep the entire factory running efficiently. Robotic systems reorganize pallets for efficient distribution.
Research teams continuously improve product quality and taste.
Products are transferred to regional warehouses for further processing.
Every layer is carefully crafted for perfect taste and texture.
The baked wafers are cooled carefully before assembly begins.
The completed products are stored in the warehouse before distribution. Advanced systems track every product inside the warehouse in real time.
Water recycling systems reduce environmental impact.
KitKat bars are carefully placed on retail shelves for customers.